बच्चों, हम आ गए हैं आज प्रोबेबिलिटी के लास्ट यानी मिसलिनियस एक्सरसाइज पर। सबसे पहले करते हैं मिसलिनियस का एक शॉर्ट एग्जांपल। बहुत ही अच्छा है। एग्जांपल नंबर 36। ए एंड बी थ्रो ए डाई अल्टरनेटली टिल वन ऑफ देम गेट्स ए 6 एंड विंस द गेम। जिसके 6 आ जाएगा पहले वो जीता हुआ माना जाएगा। फाइंड देयर रेस्पेक्टिव प्रोबेबिलिटीज ऑफ विनिंग इफ ए स्टार्ट्स द गेम। सपोज करो ए ने स्टार्ट किया गेम और ए पहली बार में जीत गया तो गेम खत्म। जिताना हमको ए को ही है पहले। ए हार गया अगर फर्स्ट, इसका मतलब बी को भी हारना पड़ेगा और थर्ड चांस वापिस ए का आएगा और ए जीत जाएगा। हो सकता है ए फर्स्ट में हार गया, बी में हार गया, वापिस ए हार जाए, वापिस बी हार जाए, फिर ए जीत जाए। क्योंकि हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? केस 1 ए विंस द गेम। हम बात कर रहे हैं पहले केस की। और ऐसे चलता जाएगा लेकिन कभी ना कभी ए जीतेगा। अब 6 आने का मतलब है P सक्सेस। इसका मतलब P हमको दिया है 1/6 और Q हमको हारने का दिया है 5/6। किसी भी डाइस में 6 आना 1/6 और डाइस में 6 नहीं आना 5/6। अब बताइए, ए अगर जीतता है तो 1/6, ए अगर हारता है तो 5/6, बी हारता है 5/6, वापस ए जीतता है। इस तरह से हम चलते जा रहे हैं 5/6, 5/6 और फिर ए जीतता है 1/6 एंड दिस गोज अप टू इंफिनिटी। पता नहीं वो कब जीतेगा। इज ए सिंपल जीपी क्लास 11th वेयर ए इज 1/6 एंड आर द कॉमन रेशियो दिस डिवाइड बाय दिस 25/36 and hence you know the formula of S infinity, A divided by 1 minus R. याद है ना? 1/6 divided by 11/36. Answer is 1/6 into 36/11. It is 6/11. So probability that A wins the game is 6/11. So what is the probability that B wins the game? Probability that B wins the game equals to 1 minus 6/11. अब बताओ, इसका मतलब A की probability ज्यादा हुई। तो यानी कभी भी आपको ऐसा गेम खेलने को मिल जाए लाइफ में तो हमेशा पहले चांस खुद ले लेने का। ठीक है ना? गुड। ऐसे कई बार क्या हो सकता है कि 3 दोस्त भी हो सकते हैं। अब 3 दोस्त होंगे तो देखो क्या चेंज आ जाएगा। अगर ए गेम स्टार्ट करता यही क्वेश्चन मगर 3 दोस्त होते तो क्या चलता? सी को भी हारना पड़ता, फिर ए जीतता, फिर ए हारता, बी हारता, सी हारता, ए हारता, बी हारता, सी हारता, फिर ए जीतता एंड सो। ये ए के जीतने का हो गया। अब बी के जीतने का क्या होगा? ए हारता, बी जीतता, नेक्स्ट टाइम ए हारता, बी हारता, सी हारता, ए हारता एंड देन तो ये बी के जीतने की हो गई। इन दोनों के टोटल को अगर 1 में से माइनस कर देंगे तो वो आ जाएगा सी के जीतने का। तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन भी कई बार अच्छे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में भी आते हैं और ये क्वेश्चन तो एक बार बोर्ड में भी आ चुका है। करेक्ट। एक और क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। इन ए हर्डल रेस अ प्लेयर हैज टू क्रॉस 10 हर्डल्स, ओलंपिक के जैसे। द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट ही विल क्लियर ईच हर्डल इज 5/6. ही विल क्लियर ईच हर्डल इज 5/6 एंड ही विल नॉट क्लियर द hurdle is 1/6. Our success is he will not clear, because the question is what is the probability that he will knock down fewer than 2 hurdles. 2 hurdles से पहले बाहर हो जाए. It means we want to calculate Px less than 2, that is P0 plus P1. You know the binomial distribution. 0. Total cases 10. First start with 10C0. 1/6 to power 0 and 5/6 to power 10, or 10C1, 1/6 to power 1 and 5/6 to power 9. Very simple. What is common? 5/6 to power 9 is common. 10C0 meaning is 1, 1/6 to power 0 is 1, so here it is only 5/6. Correct? Here 5/6 to power 9 common. Remaining is 10C1 means 10 and divide by 6. 5/6 to power 9 common. Inside 6 LCM 15. What we are getting? 5/9, 6 to power 9 into 5 into 3 and 6. So we can write 5 to power 10, 6 to power 10 and 3. Your choice, you can adjust your answer in any of the form, but final answer is this one. Now we'll start the next sum, number 9. An experiment succeed twice as often as it fails. जीतने की probability double है हारने से. Find the probability that in the next 6 trials there will be at least 4 success. Means n equal to 6 given. R we need more than 4. And the important point, P is twice of Q. It means the ratio is 2:1. So P equals to, if 2 by 3, then Q equals to 1 by 3. See, the ratio is 2:1. Now we want it will succeed more than 4. 4 or more than, at least 4 success. At least 4 means 4 is also included. Now, P x equals to 4 plus P x equals to 5 plus P x equal to 6. These three we have to add. So first we start with 4. 6C4, success to power 4 and failure to power 2. Again 5, 6C5, 2 by 3 to power 5 and 1 by 3 to power 1. Plus 6C6, 2 by 3 to power 6 and 1 by 3 to power 0. Now the solution. 6C4 meaning is very simple, 6C2. And 6C2 meaning means 6 into 5 divided by 1 into 2. That is only 15. 2 to power 4, 16. 3 to power 4, 81 and 9. Correct. The next is 6C5, that is 6. 2 to power 5, 32. 3 to power 5 and 3. Plus 6C6 means 1 and 2 by 3 to power 6 by taking LCM or by taking common, but you will get the final answer. So the remaining calculation is for you. Now we are taking question number 10. How many times must a man toss a fair coin? How many times? It means n you have to calculate. How many times? Fair coin, so that the probability of having at least one head. At least one head. It means one तो चाहिए उसके ऊपर at least one and more than one is probability more than 90%. We want probability more than 90%. So first we start Px greater than equals to 1. When head and tail comes, it means P is very clear and Q is very clear. And we have to calculate. The question is at least 1. It means simple thing is 1 minus we don't want P0. टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी में से अगर अपन ने 0 वाला केस हटा दिया, इसका मतलब 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 चलता जाएगा up to n times. This answer is nothing but NC0, success to power 0 and failure to power n times. And what is failure? You can write half. This is, they want more than 90%. This want probability as more than 90%. Our aim is to calculate n. It means NC0 to this side, 1 minus this is 1, only half to power n greater than 90%. We want to calculate this quantity. It means shift to this side, 1 minus 90 by 100 greater than half to power n. 1 minus 90% means 10%. This is nothing but 1 by 10. When we'll have the value of half to power, so that this quantity will be less than 1 by 10. 1, then it is half. 2, 1 by 4. 3, 1 by 8. 4, half to power 4, 1 by 16. It means n is greater than or equals to 4. That's why we'll write answer as n is greater than or equals to. Now sum number 13 is very important question for our daily life. How yoga and meditation help in our routine life. Question is, a person having a chances of the heart attack is 40%. But if a patient follows yoga and meditation, it will reduce by 30%. And if he takes only the medicines, then it will reduce by 25%. These two are two cases, that is PA and PB are half and half. That is the partition based theorem. If a patient follows meditation, then it will reduce by 30%. So actually it is 40%, but it will reduce by 30% when he will follow first, that is meditation and yoga. It will become 70 and 28, so it is 28%, correct? Second time, if he will follow only the medicine, then the chances reduced by only 25%. That is 25% reduced to 75%. Answer is 30%. First, second, third and fourth. Now we can apply the Bayes theorem. The question wants, find the probability that the patient followed a course of yoga and meditation. It means we want to calculate for case number 1. So answer for case number 1 is having heart attack, but he is using case 1. Here case 1 means half into 28 by 100, correct? Half into 28 by 100 plus half into 30 by 100. Now half is totally common, cancel out from numerator and denominator. So remaining is 28 by 100 divided by 100 LCM, 28 and 30, 58, LCM cancel out. You can simplify, cancel by 2 and cancel by 2. 14 by 29 is the probability that a person taking the first case, that is meditation in yoga, and having a heart attack, is the chance is 14 by 29, just 50%. It means in our daily life, yoga and meditation is must. कुछ ना कुछ टाइम तो वर्कआउट जरूरी है, करेक्ट? एक और क्वेश्चन लेते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. बहुत छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है, जस्ट लाइक ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स. कोई 2/2 की डिटरमिनेंट है और उसमें आपको सिर्फ 2 ही नंबर भरने हैं. यू हैव टू फिल इधर 1 और 0, नो अदर ऑप्शन. It means we have 4 places and 4 places and 2 numbers to fill. It means total cases equals to 16. We want that the determinant will have only positive value. How many cases that we have only positive value? Very simple. If you put 0 here, then you will get value 1. If you put 0 here, then you will get value 1. And if you put 1 and 1 here and 0, 0 here, then value is 1. Otherwise, in all the cases, we'll have negative values. So we have first, second and third, only 3 favorable cases and total cases 16. So answer is 3 by 16. Objective question, a good question.